Welcome back to another exciting video from Booming Business. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more exciting content. Today's video is about inside The Rock's $100 million mansions. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is known to be one of the highest paid actors in the world. In 2019, he was dubbed by Forbes as the 15th highest paid celebrity, according to Mama. It has been reported that Johnson makes $20 million per movie and $700,000 per episode of Bose Ballers. His most recent real estate purchase is this gorgeous ranch in Powder Springs, Georgia, and it only cost him $9.5 million. TMZ reports he even paid the full price in cash. This French country manor comes with 46 acres of land, a horse riding arena, 12-stall barn, and even its own restored farmhouse that dates back to 1867. It's surrounded by rolling hills and lush fields and has enough privacy for The Rock and his entire family, which includes his wife and 3 daughters, to just get away from the lights and cameras for a little while. The inside of the main house has 8 spacious bedrooms and 6 spacious bathrooms, with 3 extra half baths thrown in for good measure. The mansion is the perfect example of luxurious rustic living, complete with stone fireplaces. It has multiple lounges of a cozy library and a music room with a gorgeous grand piano that we'd love to see the Hobbs and Inasiah star play through the French doors in the back. Johnson can step out into the gorgeous pool area, complete with jacuzzi and an outdoor dining area. There's even an outdoor living room with, you guessed it, another fireplace. But this Georgia farm isn't The Rock's first rodeo. He already has a secret Virginia farm of a known price where he also keeps horses and has private hiking trails. The Olympic equestrian Will Coleman even trains thoroughbreds on the actor's property. In early 2019, Johnson posted a photo of himself with 2 of his horses on this secret Virginia property with a message that read, "The great state of Virginia has quietly become my home." The Rock isn't just a quiet country guy. He has houses all over, and one of his favorite places to live happens to be in Florida. He's had about 10 homes in the state over the years, most ranging between $1 and $3 million. But in 2012, he bought his 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom mansion in Southwest Ranches for $3.4 million. The 13,000 square foot Florida mansion has lots of bonuses to help the Johnsons pass their time, including a home theater and a large swimming pool with a jacuzzi. It also has an office, huge master bathroom, and sitting rooms that look like they were designed for royalty. Rumor has it that the home also has its own personal barber shop, so that The Rock really never has to leave. But we did say Johnson loves to buy, renovate, and sell right. He sold the house only a year later for $3 million, but only after adding $1 million worth of renovations to the property, including a professional at-home gym and a private house for his trainer to stay. Another Florida home owned by Johnson cost him about $4.5 million, and it's also technically a ranch. We're sensing a theme here. Johnson bought this home while it was still in development. It has 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms to 3 car garages, and a full outdoor kitchen so the Johnsons can enjoy family cookouts. The home is also completely gated for privacy, and like his other ranches, this home is rustic and natural with lots of spacious rooms and high ceilings. But like any celebrity, The Rock also needs a place to stay when he's working in Hollywood. That's why he bought this $5 million Hidden Hills home. It has an elaborate outdoor space perfect for parties, as well as The Rock's signature professional gym that he once again installed himself. We had no idea it was so hard to find a luxury home with a good professional gym. The Hidden Hills estate is probably the most lavish of The Rock's homes. This is what you think of when it comes to celebrity mansions, complete with high ceilings and white pillars. The home boasts a giant master bedroom suite with a huge bathroom. There are spacious garages for the Fast and Furious stars' many cars, which we'll talk about in detail a little more later. And another cookout area in the back, since The Rock seems to like cooking outside way more than cooking inside. Of course, we can't forget the pool, a key feature of all of the properties of The Rock. This one is right outside his back door and also comes with a jacuzzi. Another of the mansion's highlights is this spacious home theater, which even looks like a souped-up version of a classic cinema. The Rock ended up selling this mansion in 2012 for the same price that he paid for it. But reports say that he has a villa somewhere else in California and a couple of condos in case the bright lights of Hollywood summon him to get to work. Even overseas, The Rock makes sure he lives in luxury. He lived in this London home when filming Hobbs and Inasiah and had a huge pop-up gym that he calls the Iron Paradise installed on the property. He's also brought the Iron Paradise to other locations like Vancouver, where he filmed himself appreciating the view of the city from a luxury apartment. The London mansion came with 9 bedrooms, a cinema, 2 swimming pools, another home theater, and even a celebrity horse that Johnson posted a photo of himself writing his name is Rusty, and he has starred in both Gladiator and Robin Hood. The Rock is just loaded with successful friends, isn't it? The pool's one inside and one outside, and the tennis court on the property helped The Rock stay fit. But that wasn't enough for the superstar. His Iron Paradise gym was placed in the back of the property in the sprawling gardens. It houses 40,000 pounds of professional equipment, and it's conveniently located for The Rock to easily get to his early morning workout, which is at 5 a.m. every day. So while these homes may look like places for the actor to rest and unwind, he's proven that a practical home is way more important to him than one that's just nice to look at. In total, The Rock has put about $100 million of his fortune into the property. But of course, not all his money goes to real estate. He spends lots of it decking out the houses, including filling the driveways and garages with fancy cars. You might remember when Johnson showed up to the premiere of Ballers and a custom-made Pagani Huayra. The regular Pagani clocks in at around $1 million, and only 100 exist on the entire planet. Talk about making a fashionable entrance. The actor also owns a lot of personal luxury vehicles, including a 2-door Rolls-Royce Wraith which retails for almost $400,000. And while filming Pain and Gang, The Rock was spotted cruising around in a purple metallic Plymouth Prowler. The cool car costs about $38,000 and looks like one of the finest vehicles you could ever drive. Johnson also briefly owned a matte white left Ferrari that he received a complimentary lease on, but soon found out that he couldn't actually fit inside the car. It's a shame considering that the retail price for this beauty is about $2 million. The Rock's favorite vehicle actually isn't a luxury car at all, but a pretty normal truck on F-150 custom-built pickup. To be precise, we're guessing it's because he doesn't have any trouble fitting inside this massive vehicle. The truck only costs about $35,000, but The Rock definitely spent $1,000 more for modifications. But when it comes time for international travel, the superstar gets from place to place in a fancy Gulfstream G650 plane. Just give me chills, Joe. He can often be seen bringing his family along for trips on the aircraft. One of these bad boys can cost up to $65 million, but it's unclear whether Johnson owns the plane or just rents it when it comes to enjoying his money. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.